Reure. Mudiau. Ramudia. Ça va? Raifu. Nyago dia tabega. Reure. School motto.
School motto.
Oh yes. You know, nowadays you will observe school nyingiri they are really working on their images even at the most rural level. Yes. Ore school represent out there. Yes. Tana school itiare maundu magwikirira.
Asa.
Watu weka aria mamio ne mamio.
Ne mamio
Yes.
Nige shukuru ne aciana cia itura.
Yes. Until we had, you know, Therùkagio Nìguo ideal, except the national schools. Isi kiwa korata Therùkagio mahai largely. Ira mironi ado within the Muranga district.
It's just that region.
Yes. But now everyone can go
anywhere.
I think it's out of the Matiangi exams. Asiarini matu heire mateta matahana goku. Maetura mwaneti ro nyaruguga.
Na farigo.
Na maseno. Kwaja farigo ni metiro hige.
Barigo nemetitwo.
Yes. Na magethia na magithoma. Ndio. Heke tugeta goriri tugithoma. School motto.
School motto.
Because ukoraga cukuru na nginya yandikitwo haria the mission, the vision and the core
values.
Yes. Cikandikwo haria. Tene no motto etheri. Na rwogo itiari progressive.
Actually, na titane ati we kuraihu ri. Some schools, especially in the interior areas, had no school motto.
They just had the school title.
Na thukuru wetanagio na itura.
Yes.
Period.
Mekiangeria primary. No docio gathira kanogetanio na vegetation. Kana founder. Ure waya ni mugunda gwakwo ki?
Gwakwo mugunda gwakwo thukuru.
Yes. Iwe tu ni maga wakinya high school. Wakora chukuru ginya you have to reside and memorize.
Yes.
Yes.
And get that culture in you.
Exactly. What jeru area meta wo national ni mage kaka.
Ende umete motito ire primary.
We umete na kori oguo karuku fe primary.
No we tondu nawe haha upstairs ndukiri okau.
Yes.
Ugikinyiria gwitwo national.
Ni undu wa riri wa Yehova na kiro giaku. Ugetwo national akora kundu kwina core values and you recite them at parade.
Yes.
It will take you a year.
Memorize.
Yes.
Motto, a vision and a mission, core values.
Yes.
What do you stand for?
Even today, there are high schools that do not, display or else you are core values and missions. You're no obvious.
Kana ne requirement ya MOE.
Yes.
Ya ministry.
I don't know, give a man the school motto. You find some they did not have a lot of progress in them.
Actually, and others, for I don't know lack of what, copied from bigger schools.
Yes, never mind your academic credentials. You see, wait, where the mood, you know what the national wa hell mafukumena logo ya
mafuku branded.
Yes.
Madukuru.
Wakora mood with you Nairobi school. Yes. Look at if we get to the uttermost.
Ukamenya wewe national.
Idio no wamenya school ya nyine moto ni kwiro motera. It is never displayed or talked about. We got the mood the Alliance High School. Oko ori athomeire. Tawate mubugio wa ikuyu.
Waishongwa.
Yes. Ukibwe ni strong to serve the kito igotini ria.
Blazer inena gatawate gafuna kama ngere.
Niko kauka kahafu kawidi breaker.
Kawidi breaker.
Strong to serve.
Na mafukuini.
Yes. Ukali gwe. Niki boku tutari na maundu mau. Kupe ni hari. Ni ondo tatindanage kwena maundu mangi mabata.
or you are struggling with other things.
Yes. What the Giathia school ta Kenya High. You know the schools that had Latin. Yes. Moto cia Latin. Yes.
Wakamenya ruma umarikuo even before independence.
Yes. Okay, what Therùkagio University of Nairobi Unitet et Labor. Yes. Iniki urauga we.
You are new tika PO box yo.
Yeah, Kenya High. Don't you that one? Yeah, Kenya High. I know it is John Modoni. Resignia. Atendo. Saviere Esignare. No, the Kenya High alumni. Never go to Tamukira.
I know it.
Saviere Esignare. You can't go at it. Katudo Magira. Nasukuru ya nyumera ni okerio ni maku. Jishinde ushinde. Waigwa. Have you seen Mangu High School? Jishinde ushinde. Yes. The Starehe one was which one?
Starehe was which one?
It was also Swahili. Yes.
Which one was it?
The Nyeri High School. Elimu ni ushinde.
Oh, Starehe ni Natulenge juu.
Natulenge juu. Rogo de moge iwe tare turenge turariririo.
No. Tigane thutho uyu bathukuru ginya makire especially ma secondary gukora makite ginya gate cia kiriu ultra modern.
Yes.
Agikoro you had not invested in such kind of infrastructure.
You see,
moto was not
unless you display it on your dust field.
Where else?
You don't have a structure. I gonna kwa head go tire plaster ri. Nimole kesho na ikarama higaini. Moto area, I don't know why it's called the chata.
Chata area ngoro-ini. Kana mabuku-ini library.
Okay, wako ja shukuru ati na ginya nickname. Yes. Yo kai wati andũ arĩa mathomagira Nairobi school. Maugaga I don't know why it's called patch. Yes. Nasomeanga patch. Yes. Kanigo patch niko. So kigwa ni Nairobi school. Yes. Okay, wati sit nasomeanga boma.
Boma niko.
Boma ni the Kenya High. Oh yes. Hiyo ati mademu wa bom. Kwanza makiria mastori kwa gisagi. Marasemanya na mundu thoma ako. They will make you feel like a fool. Ndio tulikuwa na maboys wa ditches man. Sisi tukasema tunabonga na maboys wa patch. Sasa ka hivyo maboys wa bush wakakam ukaliwa sione.
Kuno Kenya.
Wewe ukaliwa patch ni Nairobi school. Ditches at a great high. Bush is the one and only Alliance. Yes. Wakirigo tatiga. Na yanyu shukuru yanyu dire nickname. Yes. Leitwa no ria na PO box.
Okay, nitwashi nickname ngona rugongo.
Yes.
Well, locally.
Yes.
Not was very rudimentary names.
Yes.
Barracks. Okay, that's a hardship zone.
It's a hardship. No, it's already warfare. Shukuru hizi kwa roga konia gaso kaka kwa mahiga mavara kwena mucemanio.
Agacoka buremwe is wiped out.
Buremwe kana rukunguru afternoon. You see, and I don't know who you are fooling. Everyone could see. Una kwi hoitiga pathwe.
Kamenya ici raha kiro ira ni undu muthi.
Ni undu wa kamotho. Cukuru ciarĩ na a formidable you know notice board.
Yes.
Ti andũ a kũhũrĩrwo atĩ stapler. Handũ ona arutwo ta igana me hau this information. Na nginya history ya thukuru hau. Yes. Na nĩ notice board ĩna gacicio na safi.
Lockable.
Iyo nĩyo yahana rĩu website.
Harĩ website ya thukuru.
Ya thukuru. You know, notice board kaginya kagitĩtwo.
Kĩrĩtwo roofing.
Yes.
Kwaje ũgakora karũgamĩtio na ikĩngĩ cia cinda na ikahakwo marangi ma thukuru.
No ũrĩa cukuru nene rĩ. Noguo wakora notice board icio nĩ ta ithano. Ũthiũrũrũke ũũ. Yes.
Kwĩna nginya students corner.
Yes. Na kwaje cukuru iria ciagũraga ngathĩti ĩmwe ĩgaprintwo mwena ũyũ na ũyũ. Na hiyo notice board yanyu yako harĩa hahead. Ona mũndũ akara stapler di.
Ũgĩthiĩ kũrora kĩndũ notice board-inĩ rĩ.
Yes.
You have already presented yourself to the authorities.
Yes. You are a suspect. Let me tell you, where the man that you are going to school moto.
Kule matasi menyire na makĩrĩkia.
Yarĩka sana mwana.
Hadi
Akĩatho maira Gathaiya boys. Atĩ Gathaiya boys gĩthũngũri-rĩ. Atĩ you know what their nickname was? Mĩthige.
Very rudimentary.
Arangĩ marageta patch, beaches, dubs. Papa Bambi na ya cukuru etagwo Shika Adabu Junior Secondary. St. Joseph's Githunguri, strive to excel. Ũcio nĩ iga. No strive to excel nĩ tũamĩ ũthagĩra ha State House Primary School.
Iyo na ndeci athĩ hũthĩrĩtwo nĩ mathukuru kadhaa.
And I think it is also State House Girls High School. Strive to excel. Tondũ ya kũrĩa Igego Secondary yarĩ so to reap. Waigua nĩ magetha.
Wacoka camba.
But the inspiration, you know.
All great. JKA Imesija.
Yes. You see, back then, health services, she devolved. Passé. Or we get evolution, Naki doing what or a maendeleo Rogo.
Muno.
Yes.
Muno.
Maodo mane hado Nyairo Vili. Ema difo, Fido
Makora matura.
Minya don't you need a shaggy. Yes. Tene maodo maega ye tura. Koigua ati andũ acio nĩ mara access services ta icio. Yes. You see toro gay with ati muciĩ mũna rĩ ati nĩ makoragwo wakiri wao.
Wakiri wa family.
Yes.
Wakiri.
Yes. Nĩ moka kũrĩ Gathaiya and Co. Advocates. Ati mena cira nĩ matũmaga
wakiri wao.
Wakiri wao. Andũ arĩa aingĩ magĩtĩka cira rĩ na ndiũĩ cira anga watene wako hana atĩa tondũ wathiaga icagi kĩgima.
Nĩ kwarĩ nginya na moral support.
Yes. Mũndũ agĩthiĩ gwĩtĩka cira especially wa mũgũnda. Mwathia mwĩ unentitled ũraji.
Gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩathire cira wiki.
Rĩu mũngĩigua atĩ mũndũ atĩ makona wakiri wao.
Atĩ nĩ aigĩte wakiri.
Yes. Atĩ nĩ ũthiaga kũmwĩtĩkĩra kĩ?
Cira.
Kana ũkaigua atĩ famĩlĩ na nĩ makona ndagĩtarĩ wao Thĩka.
Family doctor.
Family doctor. Maũndũ marĩ unheard of.
Family doctor.
Yes.
No, the masses depended on the available doctors in the available public facilities.
Absolutely. And government extension services. Like immunization. Yes. Na kandi ndogo. Yes. Acio nĩ maũndũ mamwe ta dentist today. Ndagĩtarĩ wa magego.
specialist
mathie rugongo thutha muno aya private practice yes tena ndagitari wa magego onekaga I don't know the modern days yetagwo level K
sana ni mathibitari mare metagwo district
yes
no muthi ni mo county referral
exactly
yes
na kuona ndagitari wa magego ri etio muthenya is not a walking
asa
yes
waigua atiokaga Thursday ya mbere
yes
every month
yes no atanukaga herbs ya kuhoreria igego for a while
wetereire ndagitari agoka njenuru
yes na ni wamenyaga wega muthenya uria ndagitari wa magego nagu tondu this is not profiling tondu matatu-ini ri ni wona andu mahana ta makiritie kindu no ni igego rina ki
ria atura
ukaiwa mundu oria kai wa magego aronwo muthi
muthi ni ria gukaga kuria njenuru
nikuo wathie ria kure guturete ihinda rigana atia
ni njikarite o ciumia ithatu
niona ni njagite toro oi ndakiwa ndi murokere na ni mwathi ya mwakora the good decides not to show up
without an apology
no they metagwo specialist they used to play hide and seek with the public yes why korate heta gitari utoneto ku meri
yes
na ni areagwo ni thirikari
wega biu
ugathi na murimu waku ugacoka okay
ugacoka mucii
yes
ukerwo ati ngugure tutawa
yes
twakuhoreria
and you know ideally ndagitari onacio magego ni matiana uyu wa Shine Dental irungu their core business was what gukura ala moda uga na thigo thondeko igego ndathi gukurwo riu ni mwagega muno mwiguite family na kwa muthoni marathire na mutungu wao thika kuihurio ki
magego
kirigo where is that luxury uraihurio wiki atia
ngoa hiyo meno
ngoa asio ni kwa tisenye wa dawa hiyo ni ki ni gukura kwa jero kugiokia tika kana kalale feeling ni dental feeling wakira tefu
eka
teku ni kule githeri so the concerns were very basic
kuria githeri na nyama
aroma tuone ni ratura gaye to ithu to menyelete igeo ria rehe thina wathie kuria na andu mugate mundu isu they would sell fear to us matu yale kura ona fura hivi so you used to dread ndira kuna hesa services rugongo
itiari nyoneki
no they were not the manathire kwi wakiri wao apa hiro yes mena sira ona tucio ni cia yoka gicagi thutha-ini uyu wakora ati he mwarimu wandikagwo ekithie ciana revision yes I never used to see those things
no they were not there
ati mwarimu ukaigwa ni okaga Saturday family na kumafundithia at personalized
personalized learning
revision ne we kina ta anyu haria wahorera wiki atia
maguta mathiro toro
absolutely tirune he mwarimu roka
twandikirwo private tutor
timetable yes never mind the families that had those privileges back then ciana ciao ciarĩ ngathĩ take
take kuya kiuga kuria kwi nyama gutire mwaki
na kuria gwekĩrĩrĩ mbere
tie nyama
ati kwisi weiguaga ati nginya gicagi weiguaga gwi services ya fumigation yes i mundu uka kuhuhira kundu kwina nyenje ino nyenje was not a concern
ucio ti undu ngia makiria andu
yes ajire kindu kia andu wega pio mukorera you have to take measures ne ngoni
no cia muheire pressure
na mawira dawa iho yetagwo marathion
Na nĩ acoka kaigwo haraihu na andũ amwe. Andũ arĩa suicide.
Yes. Andũ mara fani mathurete na ku exit.
Wesa unit.
Yes. Na mũngĩhuria marathio ni rĩ nĩ mwambe mume kwa nyuthi kutaigĩrĩ.
Yes.
Yes.
Tondũ nayo.
Yes.
Inatararĩka.
Until you are sure the coast is
clear.
Ati uigwati kwa andũ marokire kũhuhĩrĩrwo. Mama aruta wĩra gwa kanjũ Nairobi. Marokire kũu na andũ marahuhĩra. Ithuĩ twahuhĩraga mĩmera.
Tiwa dudu.
You do powdery mildew. Then some things people take for granted were not available.
Temwe family lawyer.
Yes. 30 family doctor. Some of us, we don't have medical history.
Todo na kandi na tobuku tũrĩa twahũthagĩra rĩ.
Yes.
Nĩ ciakirie mĩaki.
You see, no one even used to document them even at the hospital.
You know, we wathiaga na record yaku.
Yes.
Na record yaku nĩ kabuku kau kana kandi ĩyo.
Yes.
Rĩu ũguo wagĩgate kana wakia mwaki na kũrĩ.
Yes.
You have burnt the entire system.
Na gũkinya atĩ nĩ kũhingũra failo that was a critical illness. Na rĩmwe nĩ wathia failo ĩkahutika ndĩreka atĩa?
Ndĩroneka.
Yes. Never mind, you had to do some incentive yoneke. That's a medical record. Waigua andũ makiuga atĩrĩrĩ nĩ warikana ng'ania hĩndĩ ĩrĩa arwarĩte. There is nothing formal.
Medical record harĩ hakiri-inĩ.
Yes. Tena ndũngĩakoria atĩ ũrarutirwo ti medical record. Anjiria, this is the prognosis, the diagnosis, treatment procedure, what have you. Olisikia wapi?
Na gatene ona nginya mabeti na matiarĩ aingĩ.
Acha matiarĩ aingĩ.
You see, like today there are many private practitioners ya veterinary.
There are very many.
Rĩu nĩ ũkora mũrĩmi nĩ arĩ veterinary wake.
Yes.
In case ng'ombe kana ũhiũ wake wagĩa issue.
Yes.
Ageta veterinary wake.
Tena nĩ nyina wa bethi.
No, you relied on government veterinaries.
Yes. And they would be very rare to find.
You see, rĩu aracabũrwo karĩtĩ nene.
Tarĩu ng'ombe you know the good thing is the veterinary akoragwo local. Mũndũ wa gũka. Wĩra thikũ ici they are based anywhere. Rĩu mwakoraga ng'ombe yagĩa kĩndũ gĩtagwo emergency ũtukũ. Nĩ mũringe magũrũ nginya kwao.
Kwa veterinary wa itũũra rĩu wa thirikari.
Nake mũmwarahũre ũtukũ.
Mwĩyandĩkithi akamũcabu mũrĩa mbere.
Yes.
Hakuhĩ mũmũikarie nĩgetha auma mũkaumania nake.
Kanoke ona nĩguo andũ mekaga.
Yes.
Gĩkwĩrekia kũu. Thiĩ na cere kĩhanda mwĩbara. Yes. Kana mbũrũgũtũ na cuba ya liquid. Ng'ombe ĩkĩarũrũkwo rĩmwe mũkaigua nĩ yacoka kĩ?
Yacoka muoyo.
Ũkĩrora meretie mbũgũ ya kĩ? Kaikondo.
No, more than there are very many private practitioners. Really?
Things have changed. Korea Rogo. Yes.
Tokega garage tago board chair Gathaiya Tene.
Tagwo Jen Ngoni wa THUITA. Yes.
Yomono murugi kuma boy money. Auga ko ndagĩtarĩ wa magego nekaga Friday.
No, he was there.
Netagwo komba. Masada.
Ajuo gĩaire gwĩtarĩria wega matukũ mau ma tene rĩ. Nĩ wakoragwo kũrio rĩrĩa rĩtarĩrio. Tũraini nĩ nene.
Ndagĩtarĩ nĩ aronena wa kĩrũndi nene.
Yes.
Ũguo nĩ agũkũra angĩarĩki.
Rĩu mwambaga kũgandia andũ ta thate. Actually, I remember the other time twanathiĩ na tene mũno ndĩrĩ secondary. Ndagĩtarĩ wa magego rĩ aumire akĩũria wale wa meno othe matheceirwo hau bomu-inĩ
magandĩirio bomu-inĩ.
Rĩu mũndũ akiuga atĩrĩ kuja ndigandĩte. You know the local anesthesia has to take some time so that it kicks in. Yes.
No ũcio ũngĩuga we mũgandu
waganda
Oka.
Rodo.
No liona kaguoya. Onesiria ona matuko macio ri. Professionalism was not a
growing concern. Yes. Yeto matuko maria ndo matherũkagĩrio cindano. Twathia dispenser na maguta tawa. Ndo wathitofu ya gũtherũkia cindano. Yes. Regency maiwa eta watia commander.
Ng'ang'a.
Akaina nimendungwa cindano. Anake muzigo be cindano ni natherũka.
Matio twanatherũkĩrio cindano.
Ciakoragwo riko. No cio no ari trauma muno wiritwo atiriri. Etara haria njothe.
Yona rĩkĩ andũ ũmwe matathia thibitari.
You see what? Your imagination will tell you over there is way here.
No, that's one of my mother.
Kĩotherũkĩrio cindano nĩ ũkũrĩhĩte. Meko maguta. Na mũkae na maguta maingĩ gũkũ ti kwanyu.
No, this person. Gathaiya Tene Sidano.
Yes. And you see, cindano it was not immediate. You see, wathondekwo wonekana nĩ wabatara cindano you would be sent back home to bring facilitation.
Facilitate gũthecwo cindano.
Although it's the same crap we are talking about here, mundu ure twacokia muciĩ na mũrimũ.
It's the same thing.
Yes. Okay, no, uinoke uke na maguta.
Kana maguta.
Yes. And sometimes you need to waku ndũraĩrwo itofu nona ndĩrĩ. Na cindano
ĩgũtherũkio naki.
Actually here mwaitu twathecirwo na cindano ĩmwe an entire generation.
You cannot do that.
Mayana hende otiari very heavily communication
memory mweno ya kugwatanio.
Rĩu akora cindano hau no boro.
Actually kiundu phenomena we yaninwo nĩ gũka kwa mũrimũ wa HIV and AIDS.
Yes. Oro yo nĩguo wathirĩra hau.
Nĩguo waninire ũhoro wa cindano ya gũtherũkio.
Twagia nginya foreign aid ĩrarehe syringe. Cito syringe. Yes. Waiguaerwo. Benjamin Mokuhano.
Nani?
Ukashindano nĩ yatherũka. Mamuka igua ngai ũcio agĩkũra. Other hewa mũndũ mũgima peugĩte wai.
Mokuha nĩ mũndũ mokuha.
Kero hena pale teremusha. No, you know, this cannot fathom. Ate cindano literally yakoragwo riko.
Ĩgĩtherũka.
Yes. And growing up, I never saw any medical practitioner with gloves.
By the way, Onani, do you mean nyondete? I don't remember one.
Actually, I don't know Ngoni. He wĩra meciragia ũrĩa ũrutagĩrwo na gloves. Na ti wa andũ meho. Because we would not imagine that it is having a, you know, at hygiene.
Na protection.
Yes. No, matiare gloves.
Acha.
Kwaje wale mali gari cindano ka. Na cindano tena na cindano na cindano kana ciarĩ ruo.
Tani wana ici twatheca go twĩ ciana rĩ.
Yes.
You see tũrema tũkoragwo na tuo rĩ.
Ĩno ya njanjo.
Ya njanjo rĩ.
Yes.
You can tell cindano icio ti cio cia rĩu.
Hapana. Ĩyo na ĩragetheca go tarĩ thigitha. We are from the struggle. Na no cindano ya gũtheca rĩ. Ithe arwaru cindano worio. Cindano nĩ igana. Bai mũrehe mũndũ maguta.
Maga consolidate irori.
Tũmokagia na gacuba ga soda. Tondũ akĩgũra center.
Ayo yakuhi.
No tondũ ũgũthiĩ ũgakora ofisi ya huduma rĩ hau nja nĩ harĩ mũndũ wake. Photocopy. Rĩu hau nja wakora mũndũ na cuba ciake.
Cia maguta tawa.
Kama ya kilo thitofu. Mwodu atheco wa mbere mumu ya ndagika ta ithano itherukage yeherie memory yake
ocio umao
kwale muno acio no wona okite kacia thiko ihitire ruo ta cia tene
mabudo de ma improve ire
agatwa guthagwo ro Eure karai
yes
no ira cia plastic iria ciekuo tha ici ticio ciarĩ kuo tene
acha
yes actually if you have noticed ira cia thiko ici rĩ itiri repairable
avan ai ira repairable tito ire
tene nĩ wathia wakora karai nĩ kaigĩrĩre cethi.
Actually, there are people who made a career.
Yes.
Ya kuripea irai.
Yes. Ajire karai kahana uri ugura ngari ukamekira rifeti na aram. Wagura karai nikamba kurengwo matu.
Atiga keuke.
Yes. Na kade infosuo. Hali oranyitira. And zilikuwa zinastahimili hiyo kazi.
They would withstand harassment.
Siathi kwa ici ne hotho. Tene karai wayo korake na ira kakana nginya tare mosaic. But there was one, it was not very common. Keho kari ga shuma.
Karai ga shuma.
Yes.
People who know karai ga shuma, especially from this side of the mountain,
yes,
they must be over that.
No, of actually 35 kuendelea.
Yes.
Mundu hutherete karai ga shuma.
Ni that kwa bata.
Yes. Karai ga shuma ri. I don't know what was wrong with the inventors. Tondu gatiare ha kunyi.
Kau gatiare nyitero.
Gatiare.
Kau gatiare hando.
Kau kenda mundu wena
grip ya moko.
So it tells you na kwati ihuragio mai tondu we karutani.
Kana waruta nige komonyoka.
Actually, according to my research, ndungiathia nako mita 20 utakaigite. Ni undu ndo ramatamenya ri ni karai ke okahuragwo kivui hali ajua kari Katare advertisement cia furu-ini cia kona andu marahura ivui turaitu.
They since removed them and put other things.
Ona reba ndikwe andu mahituka makihura aki
kivui.
Karai ka ukende irwo kindu gietagwo multi-purpose utility. Yes.
And durability.
You see, karai ka uneke angiathia generation no ukore getha bana thoguo eka visi.
True.
I can inherit kuma kure aciari. Sorry. Na reu no ko murahuthira. Because it was literally indestructible.
For one kare komu.
Yes.
Kare ga shuma. It was durable.
Yes. You see kare ga plastic ri. Tare kwende mwahura nguo ri. Mwathabaira mwakuruma.
Mwakurumania.
Ng'ombe ngiagurukire.
Eshembo guo ne wainga.
Musuka ni amehege. Iraisi
siara hoke.
Iraisi cia poras.
And it was such a heartbreak.
No, it was a heartbreak, and it was a war declaration in that home.
Muragithirie ira ng'ombe mugikatea.
You see, gutire logic yari hodito ta gucokia kiuria kia riri. We na ng'ombe.
No muge. Kiuria kiu gitiare anja.
And the more you attempt to answer it,
the more you look bad.
the more your punishment becomes severe. Okorio ng'ombe ni ire ira hau.
Ii ne ithue.
We na ng'ombe no we na akiri.
Nani?
Nisiana tu cio ukane ng'ombe. That time reu mamu anyu ndareria anyone in particular. She is addressing the village. Ene cianda gire kane ng'ombe. Okadi angikunda utideke ya species. Rĩu karai haka gaciuma rĩ karehagwo as an incentive mũragĩte ira mũkanini. And sometimes they would come in a set. Yeah, non-stick.
Kuma kinene.
Yes. Karai kaure. Well, it was not built for balance because it was spherical.
Yeah, it's cylindrical.
Yes. Leo ono gyathire mucie ndwarigago ni mari karai kau tondu he handu nyeki-ini hakona pothole.
Harĩa gakorwo gathondekeirwo karikagio
gakona base of operation gakahorokera passport
kanyitwo ndarĩ.
Yes.
Mugesawa
na kendetwo muno tondu riri nigatuika a manual washing machine tondu ni mwarangagire rengeti ha
karai thiini
tondu ngerangire rengeti karai ga plastic ni uretha kihuruko
no we uretha kuguragwo kirai gya plastic uingire thiini na maguru.
Yes.
Ati ni murengeti ora
riu kirai kiu ni warangagira murengeti wega na mirengeti atene yari giku
na ari o memata
na ndiathamba yo frequently especially yakwa ihe. Actually what we can mirengeti ethambio when there was proliferation of pests
na kwi mieri ire yari ya guthambia mirengeti not every other month
because like around this time you wash your blanket ni ukuhangirwo
ni motari rengeti
ni mwacema ni mucuka ni mukahura mirengeti ekagotha chumia icho
igere.
Yes.
Egekoma.
There is no sun, no nothing. Mwacokanagirira hamwe uria wona to papi tukomete kirai kigia cuma ri kiendeirwo ndumwe tondu multipurposeness yakio ri ni kiarutagwo riko na gitikwonorio kindu
kiari kirai na thaburi.
Yes.
Gikuhagirwo riko.
Yes. It was a cooking utensil.
A karai.
Yes. Na nagoku ruguru ritonye ngirairwo Nairobi ino ri andu aruguru ni mari mitugo ya riri nwaigua magwite tunangoja papa atoke kwa pafu tupike. Tunangoja papa atoke na karai kwa pafu tupike ukali.
No, kokariruga.
No, I have seen that here.
Hey, this side of the mountain.
Yes.
That one was not practiced.
Onauma. Mchike na mwarakisha niko na njaa.
Kanyamuko boriko.
Yes.
Gaitirerwo mutu.
Kaba karuga thamaki. You see, the heating itself, they would consider it sterilization. And I'm not profiling, I have seen this.
Kahiyo hani ugo. Jamu thiari girio mwakine yakua.
Na karaka ogiathire beyond the limit. Yeah, the 30 meter stretch. Or that, I think 10-15 meters. Oakuete. Kamonyoke ngakuhea compound fracture.
Joru.
Nagatia thambagirio ciana.
Acha kau gatia thambagirio ciana. You see no igwa riu karacabu nginya nikaheago hiyo mai.
Kare kiana kia kirao mecakue. Walira bori.
Kare multi-purpose.
It was a multi-purpose home appliance. Riu mwana ndekira hau tondu kumuheria ritho guo ri. Ni ukoraka mukurikite ta nyoni yeka.
Ta nyoni ikoigeirwo mutego.
Tandu turenge.
Na yesi ya idore. Nisia wathagira karai kauta mutego.
No aigua kare o bandu kitega uchumi.
Wa nyoni.
ukehitha
ukoherera karurigi katiro uguo na kamuti gaita tubebe haria
na nä kå gatira affectwo nä rå huho rå gä a plastic rä må rå huho nä rwa
distractaga nyoni
kana watua kå gå ithia rä speed ä kanyiha
Gataima nyoni coka igä rä ikaingä hau ukagucia karurigi akunä kä rio.
Now the other trick was now to capture the prisoners.
Kuoya kirai hanini uikie guoko ati unyite nyoni.
And just like that you would have KFC. And I don't know what was wrong with our parents. Nemara karamo no getka. Na kirai.
No, ne mwana ari weri. Komaga.
Well, rogo kirai ke uri. Some people would not give a hoot. Ira getara huthe kari. No na bosses ya horo. Sia que la gua.
Sia que la gua que era que.
Na kirai ke ukege tiare mithambirie.
Asa.
You see the surface, no one gave a hoot. Inside, and you know it was shiny.
Yeah, shiny inside.
Yeah.
So agio mithambirie ne kuhura hura tu.
Yes.
Ugacoka gakengaria gatirania haria. Kadire mai.
Yes.
Bas.
No kirangireria murengeti hau ri. You had to be careful because it was very slippery.
Ne kia kuringithiria the.
Oru muno.
Ono kihura murengeti tondu uracoka side by side.
Yes.
No nginya ngiamenyire the angle of incline.
The inclination angle. Omenye haria riu the breaking point. Ya okurumana.
He aguru handu gukiria. Giguturure.
The angle. Na kirai ke ure. Ni ongiakirutire kana urutiro ni mundu riko. Waka withamba maguru. Underestimate temperature ya body.
Neta exhaust ya duthi.
Yes.
Neke.
Kirai kajina.
Oraya ni maitho tari.
Uraya na gukega. No, our intellect would be challenged very many times back then.
Where do I kirai ke kiuma riko?
Ura siria ta bori. Karai ka ugati tu irero.
Asa.
Ona ndikona ukunyairo virere. Akiruga thamaki na mandathi ma mikiraki.
Ya farafara.
Yes.
There was a time rogo kari kuo. But nowadays it's not as common.
So there are some who would buy a very big one. They go this year a tonnage.
Yo kasi seti.
Na gekana ne muno ni gati yakuikaga.
Ikane ne hamuno.
Actually idea limaita maria maigiri. Gakoro ge station how when my ware haga. Yes. Na ne mwakinya handu mugase jere work station kari kia muno.
Ke jera muno ri. Kaga se jerio be.
Ajere mesi meigire. Kwena bura pio. Wakija compound kindu kia mbere wona ani karaeka.
Bado no gategaga mai. Rwembe aini.